ZenHub is a project management suite that integrates really deeply with GitHub. So our idea is to help software development teams to be really effective with how they're managing their work and how they're executing on it. We use New Relic today to gain all sorts of insights into how our application is performing and whether or not it's serving the needs of our customers.
Performance usually translates in user experience, right? Like if you have a feature and there is a query for that feature that is taking more than it should, the user is going to get impacted.
A lot of our customers are building things, whether it's in healthcare or rocketry in space, things that cannot have any downtime at all. And so it's absolutely mission critical that everything that we provide in our own service stays online and operational all the time.
At a customer level, we're trying to achieve the best user experience for our users. Our platform can scale for a great amount of users.
A lot of our customers have a big, sophisticated engineering and technology team, and that team needs to track their work and they need to do all of the things that makes their business successful. A lot of the main technology that we use to power our product is through Kubernetes. We have everything packaged up as a small Docker container. This is all running on Kubernetes in Google Cloud, and then we can hook up all of the different services up to New Relic and monitor them independently.
New Relic is really good at helping us dissect our transactions and find the bottlenecks in our processes and our endpoints. We always want to figure out what's our slowest endpoints and figure out the reason why, which both is possible through New Relic.
The key things for me when I look at New Relic is to look at the response time of our application, also looking at the transactions overview which New Relic gives us and breaking down by traces.
The magic power of New Relic comes in a lot of the alerting features as well. So rather than us staring at a dashboard waiting for something to happen, we've configured New Relic so that it alerts us if something does go wrong or something that we need to pay attention to.
Once you find something on New Relic, the next thing you do is just go to that file in your code base and start writing code. You don't really need to use any other tools.
Some of our engineers will use New Relic literally every day. They'll wake up in the morning, first thing they do is they go check the dashboards and see how's everything going.
It's the first tool that we look for whenever we are trying to identify any sort of like anomaly with our application.
It's always the best tool there is to measure the performance of your website and seeing if you're hitting the goals that you have in mind in terms of performance and scalability, finding errors.
New Relic not only helps us identify and diagnose where we might be having problems, but it also helps us validate that we're doing a good job by providing a lot of the SLA data and statistics about how the service is actually performing in the real world, whether it's speed and reliability, whether it's security, whether it's usage or adoption. At the end of the day, how do we build something that our users love, which is the most important thing.